And seeing firsthand the survivors of human sex trafficking, Rebecca Coleman-Jones and her friend Nicole Condon decided to join together and hold an art exhibition in the next couple of weeks to raise funds for She Rescue Home. Rebecca, tell us a bit about it and what inspired you.
Well, I visited Cambodia and I thought, well, what can I do to help? And I'm an artist, so I thought, well, the best thing that I can do is come back home and create an art exhibition to raise funds. So my friend Nicole Condon and that's exactly what we've done.
Now, just thinking about it, it's quite a powerful, I guess, inspiration, isn't it, to go over there and come back, to be inspired. What you saw, it really inspired you, didn't it?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you're seeing girls that have been rescued out of sex trafficking trade, which is really a scourge on humanity. It's such a demoralising thing for a girl to be, sold into that business. So it was just such an inspiration, and we just, we met a lot of beautiful people, and I think we just had to do something.
So you're raising money for She Rescue Home. When is this art exhibition coming up and whereabouts?
It goes for 11 days from February the 1st to the 11th at Bleeding Heart Art Gallery, which is right in the city of Brisbane, 166 Ann Street. And we have an opening night on the 1st of February at 5 o'clock. And we're going to have some live music and some food and some free gifts and things. So, plus we've got like canvases, small to large, plus prints and cards. So there's a lot of, artwork to suit all different budgets, and all the profits go straight to She Rescue Home, which helps these girls rehabilitate from the sex trafficking.
So that's starting right in the CBD on the 1st of February, and it's 166 Ann Street. That's
right, and it's a cafe gallery, so there'll be like drinks available for purchase, but also we'll be handing free food and drinks out as you come in the door, so it's going to be a great night.
Well, best of luck for the event, and we can find out more about She Rescue Home on their website as well, can't we?
That's right, and there's also an event on Facebook called Stop the Traffic. That's the actual name of our exhibition, and the traffic is spelled Traffick. So if you search that on Facebook, you might find that event.
Rebecca, you're doing a great thing, great cause too. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you, and have a great day.
Hey, you're more than welcome. If your event's coming up, let us know.